Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Khadija. Good morning, Maria Mohammed Ismail. Okay, Asma, what is it? Okay, you have written your name's first letter on the eraser, right? Is it so, Amna? Unmute, Amna.
Yes.
Yes, Amna. Have you written your name's first letter on the eraser?
Yes.
Yes.
First letter.
Yes, first letter. Good morning, Ayat.
Ma'am, now what?
Okay, I got to know what Ayat is going to ask. What we are going to study today, right?
Science.
Maths.
Yes.
Yes, maths. Okay. Very good. Amna is all ready with her notebook. Excellent. Excellent. But first today we will start with one game. Okay. And then we will move on to any study thing.
I also ready.
Very good. Asma, good morning. Ahmed Noor, good morning.
Good
Very
morning,
good,
ma'am.
Ahmed Noor. You joined today before time. I saw you. Good. But please put on your video, Ahmed Noor. Very good boy. Okay. Before starting today's maths game and number puzzles, we will play another game. Okay. Okay, everybody. So for that, first take out your maths notebook and a pencil quickly, and then I will play one game. Okay. Quickly, be ready with your maths notebook, pencil, and then I will play one game. Good morning, Tawhid. Very good, Ayat. Ayat is all set. Maria Mohammed Ismail is all set. Amna ready. Who else is ready? Okay, Asma is also ready now. Very good, Asma. What about Khadija, Ahmed Noor? Ahmed Noor, ready? Very good. What about Tawhid? Tawhid, are you also ready, dear? Tawhid?
बाजी, बस मुझे ये कुछ
Okay, Ibrahim, are you ready with the maths notebook and pencil?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start the game. The game is All of you will first stand up. Come on, quickly, quickly. Yes, come on, quickly stand up, everybody. Okay. Ahmed Noor, do not stand over the chair because this game is all about jumping. So you'll fall down from the chair. Amna, you also, beta, do not stand up on the chair. Stand on the floor. Okay. So now what you have to do is listen to me. You have to first say hooray, 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 and jump 5 times back, 5 times front, 5 times back, 5 times front. Okay. And while jumping, you have to say hooray, 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 hooray. Okay. And then see what is coming out. Okay. When I will say you move, jump back, you have to jump back. When I say jump forward, you have to move forward and jump. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Start jumping. Hooray, 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 hooray. Come on. Hooray, hooray. Jump back, jump back, jump back. Jump back, jump back, jump back, back. Hooray, 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 hooray. Now jump forward, jump forward. Jump forward, come towards me, jump forward. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Now statue. Statue. Amna out. Who is still jumping? Let me see. Okay. Once again, but this time you all will have to tell me how does duck says. Duck says. Ibrahim, can you tell me how does duck say? Yes. Everybody unmute and then you will have to tell me how does duck says. And let's see what loud voice comes. 1, 2, 3, start. Everybody unmute and tell me how does duck say? Quack, 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 quack. Come on, tell it fast. Fast. Quack, 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 quack. Oh my God, what you all are saying? Ahmed Noor, unmute and tell me how does duck says. Tawhid Asma, unmute. Tawhid Asma, unmute and tell me how does duck says. Quack, 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 quack. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We all have become ducks. We all are ducks now. We all are ducks. There are 10 and 1 me, 11 ducks here. Okay, Kabir joined just now. Good morning, Kabir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kabir. Quickly. Good morning, beta. Kabir, we are now playing duck game. We are just speaking how does duck says. Can you tell us how does duck says, Kabir?
You know, so your hands like this, like that.
Okay, Ibrahim. How does duck says, Kabir?
When you move, then you will get out. Then you will have
Okay. So everybody will once again tell me how does duck says. Quack, 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 fastly. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Come on, Kabir, unmute and tell me how does duck says. Quack, 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 quack. Come on. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Okay, you cannot hear me. I am telling you, Kabir, we will speak like duck. How does duck say? Quack, 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 quack. Come on, Asya. Speak like a duck. Okay. Statue, everybody. Quack. Statue. Who is speaking? That one will be out. Okay, Ibrahim out. Amna out. Tawhid out. Who else? Okay. Now with this, today's game is over. Okay. Quickly take out your maths notebook, everybody. Quickly be ready with your maths notebook. Come on, come on, come on. All the ducks, all the ducks, all the ducks. Let all the ducks be ready with math. Very good. Mariam duck is ready. Very good. Another duck. Tawhid duck. Ahmed Noor duck. Amna duck. Are you ready with the maths notebook? Ayat duck. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kabir duck. Asya duck. Are you ready with the maths notebook? Ibrahim duck. Are you ready with the maths notebook? Asma duck. Kabir unmute. Asya unmute. Yes, Kabir and Asya unmute. You both are not smiling. Why? You don't want to be duck.
What do you say?
Okay, beta. Actually, we were just playing a simple game. Today, we all are ducks. So I was just saying all of you to speak like ducks. Did you get it, Kabir? Did you get it, Kabir, now? Okay, beta. So quickly, everybody now. Let's take out our maths notebook and let me remind you all what we studied in our last class. Who can tell me what we studied in the last class in maths? Yes. Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Asma, unmute. Can you tell me what we studied in the last class in maths? Asma?
I don't know.
You don't know. Asya? Asya, where are you? Where are you? Okay, unmute Asya. Tell me what we studied in the last class. Coming to each one of you, beta. Yes,
Even
Asya.
number order. Even number order.
Odd
Number.
number. Very good. Kabir, unmute and tell me.
Ma'am, more than even.
Excellent. Mariam, unmute and tell me.
Number.
Very good. Amna, unmute and tell me. We studied about odd and even numbers, right? So everybody, let's put today's date on our notebook. And today we will study something more about odd and even number, okay? Come on, write this topic down on your notebook. Just write these two lines and then I will explain you what does it mean. Quickly write, everybody. Then I will explain you what is. Last class we studied about odd and even numbers. So then I will tell you how odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and what is even number again. Okay. Quickly write it down, everybody. Yes, coming to you. Just a moment, coming to each one of you. Unmute, beta. Yes, tell me. Is it Asma? Tawhid? Yes, Tawhid. Tell me, beta. What do you want to say?
Water.
Okay, go and have water. Quickly come back and write it down. Okay, Tawhid?
Yes.
Okay. Kabir, do you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Quickly finish off. Okay, Mariam, tell me, do you want to ask anything? Mariam Mohammed Ismail? Unmute.
I drink water.
Okay, beta, drink water, but finish the writing work also. Okay, beta? Yes. Mariam Gola, unmute. Okay, Mariam, unmute.
The voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No one
okay.
else's.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
you leave and join. Can you please leave and join?
Actually, Mariam,
No,
I am not
please.
able to hear you properly. Just a moment, beta. Let me recheck. Let me recheck, Mariam, beta. Once. Give me a moment. Yes, Amna, unmute.
Yes.
Amna, can you hear me smoothly, or is my voice cracking? Can you hear me properly? Smoothly.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. So Amna can hear me smoothly. Let me ask from others, beta, so that I can get to know. Okay. Ahmed Noor, unmute and tell me, can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent, Ahmed Noor. Quickly write it down, Ahmed Noor. Asma. Okay. Rufeda. And okay, Yasir. Meeting you after a long time. Unmute, Yasir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yasir. Where were you, Yasir?
Here.
Here only. Oh, but we
Yes.
all were missing you. You were not there in the class, I think, since a long time, right, Yasir?
Yes.
Oh, so Yasir, do you know today we are studying about odd and even number. Odd number and even number. Quickly write these two lines and then I will explain you once again what is odd number and what is called even number. Okay, everybody,
What
please
two
write it.
numbers, ma'am?
Odd number and even number, Yasir. See, I have written here on the board. Write these down on your notebook and then I will explain you what are odd numbers and what are even numbers.
Ma'am, first
Yes.
one is odd.
First one is even number.
First one even.
And then odd.
Second one is odd.
Yes, see, I have written here, no? Copy it down on your notebook. Ibrahim, unmute and tell me, are you writing? Show me your notebook, Ibrahim. Yeah, show me your notebook, beta. Lift up your notebook, Ibrahim. Yes, bring it closer to the camera. Good boy. Now write it down. I saw you are writing. Good, Ibrahim. Write it down. Write it down. Good, beta. Okay. I'm seeing everyone is writing. That's good. That's great. Quickly finish off the writing part so that once I will explain you, you'll. Yes, Rufeda, unmute.
Ma'am, I'm finished writing.
Oh my God, you finished writing part. Excellent, Rufeda. Very good, my girl. Who else? Who else? Okay, I'm waiting for each one of you to complete. Everybody, please put on your video, beta. Asma, Yasir, please put on your video. Amna, yes, beta, show me your notebook, dear. Very good, Amna. Excellent. Very good. Let me see who else are done. Khadija is still writing, okay. Khadija, unmute once.
Ma'am, I'm finished writing.
Okay, beta, how is your eye problem, Khadija? Is it fine now?
It's better, but I'm still wearing the glasses because
No problem, no problem,
infection is
beta.
still there.
No problem, no problem. Get well soon. Yes, unmute Asma.
Ma'am, I don't have to say anything.
Unmute, beta. Okay, you don't have to say anything. Okay, then quickly complete the writing part, girl. Quickly.
Ma'am, I'm done with one line.
Okay, then quickly finish up the next line also. Tawheed, show me your notebook. What have you written so far? Tawheed, quickly show me your notebook. What have you written so far? Ahmed Noor, show me your notebook. Are you done with the writing part, Ahmed?
Yes.
Very good. I was getting that intuition. Good. What about Maria Mohammed Ismail? Unmute, beta. Show me your notebook. Very good. You are at the last line, right?
Yes.
Okay, beta. Completed. Mariam Sheikh, where are you? Yes. Show me your notebook, dear. Asya, show me your notebook, beta. Okay, Mariam, write it down. Asya, Kabir, show me your notebook. Kabir and Asya, show me your notebook, please. Yes, beta, unmute, unmute.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very good. Good, Kabir. Okay. So those who have written, I am starting to explain you. Okay. Just try to understand. Okay. So in the last class, we studied about even and odd number. Okay. I'm explaining that once again. Even number always comes in pair. Okay. It always comes in pair. So if I tell you that, just a moment. Okay. So 0, 2, 4, and 4, 6, and 8. These are your even numbers. How come 4? Suppose I'm drawing Just a moment. Okay. Suppose I am drawing 4 hearts. 1 heart, 2 heart, 3 heart, and 4 heart. So these 4 hearts are coming in a pair. This heart is having one friend, and this heart is also having one friend. So when we talk about number 4, it is even number because it is coming in pair of 2 and no other heart is left alone. Okay, now if I talk about, if I talk about number 6, okay, how come 6 is your odd number? Okay, those who have completed the writing part, just you pay attention. Okay, 6 stars, 1 star, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now let's see whether 6 is my odd or even number. This star is having one friend here. Okay, then next these 2 stars are also in pair and these 2 stars are also in pair. So no star is left alone. Yes, Kabir, unmute.
Ma'am, it is even.
Yes, beta, absolutely right. It's even. Yasir, unmute. Coming to you, Asma, beta.
मैम मैंने अभी तक लिखा नहीं.
No problem. Write it down. Have you started writing, Yasir?
Started.
Okay, okay. Write it down. Okay. Asma, unmute.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Excellent, my girl. Okay, Ayat. Very good, Ayat. Completed. Very good. Excellent, Ayat. I saw it, beta. Very good. So now those who have completed the writing part, just pay attention, okay? How we will know that whether the number is odd or even, okay? You will get to know the number is odd and even by seeing the last digit. Suppose Ayat, Amna, and Ahmed Noor, Asma, Rufaida, those who have completed writing, just look here on the screen. Suppose I tell you number 14. Okay, so what I have written here, even number is 1 when the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then it becomes your even number. Okay, so suppose I am taking number 14. Okay, so if I ask you, yes, Mariam Gola, unmute beta, tell me.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you please even join the voices breaking a lot? Who discovered India?
Okay,
Who discovered
actually,
India?
Mariam, I'm not able to hear you properly, beta. I'm not able to hear you properly, Mariam.
Ma'am,
Because rest everybody, everybody is able to hear me properly, beta.
Vasco da Gama. What?
इधर उधर फोन ईयरफोन चेक किए ना वो खड़ा है.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I
Everybody,
was
please
taking
listen to
some
me.
time to
If you
off my
are
computer
able to
on
hear me
it.
properly, show me thumbs up here on the screen. If you are able to hear me properly,
Ma'am, but I knew it was
Here on the
Vasco da Gama.
Ahmed Noor, Amna, Tawhid, Ayat, if you
I
can
may
hear
not
me,
back
show
up.
me thumbs up. Then I will get to know whether my voice is breaking or only it is
Ma'am,
difficult for Mariam to hear me. Okay, Ayat,
Ma'am.
you can hear me. Yes, Mariam.
can you please even join again?
Okay, beta, but everybody can hear me, beta.
Ma'am, but I can't hear you.
Just a moment.
Ma'am, because Alfia ma'am
Okay,
had told us
I'm joining
first,
once again. Just a moment.
the first city.
Just a moment, Asma, Mariam. I'm trying to fix something so that you can hear me properly.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Can you
Ma'am, I
can you
see.
hear me now, Mariam? Because rest everybody
it's
can
still-
hear me, beta. Yes, Mariam.
It's still breaking.
It's still breaking, Mariam.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, Vasco da Gama, he first discovered city. The city
I think
Goa.
beta there. Yes, Mariam Sheikh, unmute. Mariam, I think there is some network issue at your end also, beta, because everybody can hear me, beta. Yes, Mariam
Because
Sheikh.
Goa is
Mariam Sheikh, can you hear me
down of
properly?
India. And people in the ancient time they should travel by ships.
Yes.
I'm talking to Mariam Gola. Your voice is also breaking.
Yes, come again, Mariam.
When you were talking to Mariam Gola, your voice was breaking.
Okay, when I'm talking to you, is it still breaking?
Yes, even when you talk to Mariam Gola, it was breaking.
Okay, it is still breaking when I'm talking to you.
Yes.
Oh. Wait, beta. Then I will have to end and join again. Then you all will have to end and join. Yes, Kabir, unmute, beta.
Ma'am, I can hear you. Ma'am, I can hear you properly, ma'am.
Properly. Okay, some of you can hear me properly. 2 of you are not able to hear me properly. Mariam Sheikh, you are also not hear me properly. You cannot hear me properly.
No.
Oh, beta. Okay. Because what is happening, some of you are writing down, beta. Some of you are writing here, copying it down on your notebook. No. So once I will end, no. So whatever is written on the board, it is, and everybody will have to leave. And then again, everybody will have to join. So what you just write it down today. Okay. Odd and even numbers. And then I will explain you probably in the next class. Okay, Mariam? Mariam
Okay.
Gola, is it clear to you, beta? Are you able to hear me? Mariam Gola, yes, unmute, beta. Can you hear anything?
Ma'am, now I can hear you properly. Yes, ma'am. One is I know this iPhone. One is working my earphone.
Okay. Okay. Okay, everybody. So we were learning about even and odd numbers. Just listen to me. Pay attention on the board. Okay, and quickly you will get to know. Everybody, just look here on the screen once. Okay. Whenever your last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, then it is your even number. How come even number? Suppose I have given you a number 14. Okay. So 14, let's see the last digit. If I'm seeing the last digit, I'm seeing, oh, it's 4. Okay. It's 4. It means, suppose if there are 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Okay. Then each circle is having one friend. Or simply you take 4 fingers. Your one finger is having one friend. So it is coming in a pair. So it means 14 is my even number. Did you understand, Amna? Did you understand? Show me thumbs up if you understood. Asma, if you understood, show me thumbs up. Kabir, if you understood. Mariam Mohammed Ismail, Ahmed Noor, if you understood, you can show me thumbs up. If your last digit is whatever your last digit is, suppose anything. Suppose if your last digit is 77. Yeah, I have given you number 77. Okay. And I ask you, tell me, Kabir and Ahmed Noor, whether 77 is my even number or odd number. Then what you will do? Just look here on the screen. Asma, very good. You understood. I got to know, beta. Very good. So what you will do is just look the last digit. It is 7. Okay. So 7. Okay. So just I'm taking 7 fingers and just look here. 1 is having one friend. These two is having one friend. These two is having one friend, but this finger is alone. It is not having any friend. It means in 7, 1 is alone. So 77 is my odd number. Yes, Kabir, unmute and tell me.
Ma'am, I can drink water.
Yeah, sure. Why not, beta? So 77 is your odd number. Did you get my point, Mariam Sheikh? Asma, Ahmed Noor, Khadija, Rufeda. Did you understand? Very good. Rufeda, Asya. Did you understand? Unmute, Asya. Okay. Very good, Asya. You understood? Good. Rufeda, unmute and tell me. Did you understand? Unmute. Rufeda, unmute. Ahmed,
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Excellent. So Rufeda, now you tell me, if I give you number 38, tell me whether 38 is odd or even. Everybody, those who have
Even,
completed.
ma'am.
Excellent. How come even, beta? How did you got to know?
Because one is alone.
No, beta. The one that is alone is odd. It is not even.
38, ma'am.
Okay. You said right, Rufeda. It is even number because see, we have to see what? We have to see last digit, right, Rufeda?
Yes.
Last, yes, Amna, coming to you, beta. Just give me 1 second. Okay, 1 minute, I'm sorry. So, last digit is 8. Okay, Maria Mohammed Ismail. If I ask 38 is odd or even, so you just see the last digit. Last digit is 8. It means, show me your 8 fingers, everybody. 8 fingers, everybody. Show me your 8 fingers, everybody. Yes. And then see, your each finger is having one friend. It is in a pair. When it is 8 finger, it is in a pair. See, this one can pair with this. These two thumbs can pair here. These two can pair here and these two can pair here. Right? So now, Rufeda, can you tell me it is odd or even number? Maria Mohammed Ismail, can you tell me? 38 is my even. You just need to see the last digit. Okay. But the last digit is your odd or even. Okay. Rufeda, unmute and tell me. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mariam Sheikh, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yasir Wahid, unmute and tell me. Did you understand, beta? Odd and even number.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Have you written it down, Yasir? Whatever your odd and even numbers I have written?
No, ma'am.
Only these 2 lines, Yasir. You have to write only these 2 lines. Tawhid, unmute and tell me. Did you understand?
Ma'am, 1 and 2 only?
Yes, beta. Only what is written in number 1, only that you have to write, and what is written in number 2, that you have to write. Okay, so this is all about odd and even number. Asma, unmute and tell me. Did you understand now what is odd and even number? Asma, unmute. Asma, unmute. Ibrahim, unmute. Yes, Ibrahim. Can you hear me, Ibrahim? Unmute, Ibrahim. Yes. Ibrahim. Ibrahim, now you tell me 5 is my odd number or even number? Ibrahim, can you hear me, Ibrahim? Can you hear me, Ibrahim?
Yes, even.
Even. How come even? What is even number? What is even number, Ibrahim? Tell me.
Even number, no friends.
Even number is that comes in pair of two. That comes in pair of two, right? It has one friend. Each one has one friend. No number is left alone. Show me your 5 fingers, Ibrahim. And the one that is left alone is my odd number. Yes. Now see, this is 5 fingers, okay? Each finger is having one friend or not? Tell me.
Each are having friends and each are not having friends.
One is left alone, no? Right. So in 5, when I draw 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in these 5 lines, see, these 2 can be in one pair, right, Ibrahim? These 2 can be in one pair, but one finger, like your one finger, this one is alone, right, Ibrahim? So that is my odd number. The one that is not having friend, then it becomes my odd number. Understood, Ibrahim?
Yes.
Like 3. When I ask you, tell me, Ibrahim, number 3 is odd number or even number? Who can tell me 3 is odd or even?
Odd.
Asya, quickly unmute. Yes, tell me, Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ibrahim. 3 is
Yes,
odd.
ma'am.
Asya, tell me, 7 is odd or even? Kabir, unmute.
Odd.
Very good, Asya. Okay, so now you all got to know. Yes, Kabir, unmute.
Ma'am, odd.
Very good. So this is all about odd and even number. Okay. So now have you all finished off with the writing part? You will get some assignments on Google Classroom. Do finish it, okay? Yasir, you have not yet finished off writing. Unmute and tell me, where are you still writing? Tahir, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, I write only LAST. उतना ही तक लिखा हूँ अभी लिखने गया और
Okay, beta. You are writing for the even number, Yasir.
yes.
Okay, then complete even number and odd number. Anyways, I will share this sheet on Google Classroom. Okay, Yasir.
No, ma'am. One moment.
Very good, Mariam. No problem, Yasir.
I do, ma'am.
Okay, okay, complete
Ma'am,
it.
one moment.
Okay, okay, completed, completed. Tawhid, show me your notebook, Tawhid. Tawhid, show me your notebook. Okay, so those who have completed the writing part and understood odd and even numbers, you can leave the class. Very good, Amna. Very
Bye,
good.
ma'am.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Can I show you my writing?
Yes, yes, Asma, come again. Very good, Asma. Very good. Do complete your assignments that I will share on Google Classroom, okay?
Yes. Ma'am,
Bye-bye, Asma.
can you share a video?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Can you share a video, ma'am?
Yes, Kabir, unmute. Very good, Asya.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, Kabir, beta. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Asma, beta.
Ma'am, can you share a video?
Okay, video of today's class, Asma.
No, an assignment.
Okay, okay. I will try to share. I will try to share. Okay, Asma?
Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Those who have completed, you can leave the class. Mariam, Tawhid. Tawhid, show me your notebook first. Show me your notebook, Tawhid. Mariam, I hope you have also. Okay, Mariam left. Ahmed Noor, you can also leave the class. Tawhid, show me your notebook. You're not listening to me, Tawhid. Tawhid. Unmute, Tawhid. Yes. Show me your notebook, beta.
I'm not.
Oh, beta. Yesterday also you have not written, no? Ibrahim, show me your notebook. Very good, Yasir. Very good to see that you are writing so fast and with so focused. Ibrahim, show me your notebook, beta. Good, Ibrahim. Good. Yasir. Finished. Excellent.
No, ma'am. Hold on.
Okay.
Only one line.
Which word, beta?
This. D-I.
Write it. Write it down. Write it down.
Only numbered, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Excellent,
Finish.
my boy. Very good, Yasir. Very good. Okay, Yasir. So, we will meet in the next class. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye, beta.
Ma'am, science class which day?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay.
Bye. Bye, Ibrahim. Bye-bye, Tawhid.